Bro, it's hot. I know what you're saying. Hey Ron, if it's hot, why you got a jacket on? Well, it was cold this morning, man. It was in the 50s. And I can't do this bipolar stuff, bro. I
Take
can't.
off the damn jacket, bro.
What's that more to do? I'm grown.
Oh, my nigga, then you bitching about you sweating and
I'm not complaining, bro. I'm just saying it's hot.
Okay, everybody look at him and ask me why the fuck he hot.
Good morning. It's a wonderful Saturday. I had the car warming up. Sounds healthy. You know what I'm saying? We got Emma over here. Wow, that's toxic, dude. That is toxic.
Get in the car, bro.
Bro, this ain't GTA, bro. You can't tell me what to do. I'm grown.
You're lucky I don't got the strap.
Wow, that's toxic. You gonna say that on camera?
Y'all don't watch it. I don't give a shit.
Wow, that's toxic. Purr like a bird, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Gotta get that E85 wind up, yeah, hear me. Yeah, hear me. 41, 43. It's still a cold start, so it'll drop down once it gets warm. Hey, bro, I need a new camera, so I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? Do all the good jazz. Share the video, watch the video, and have fun.
Another bike right here and they just leave it out.
Alright, so we just made it to Emery's place. We got Alan Speck here.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Be sure to check him out, subscribe, like.
Appreciate it.
You know, just give it that strength, you know what I'm saying?
I'm also in the description below that he made, which I need to copy and paste at the mines.
But I just picked up a GoPro and hopefully the quality from now on will be a lot better.
It will be better. You got 4K now, 1440, 1080p. 980.
No, 720.
There's a 980 on there too.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's on there. Trust me, it's on there. But yeah, for YouTube wise, 720.
Yeah.
So it's gonna bump up. It's gonna bump up a lot.
You ain't gotta worry about my shitty quality no more. You ain't gotta rank me about it no more, please.
Yeah, I'll be ranking you. I just don't put it in the comments.
I'll be watching this shit, bro. I'm like, damn, bro, how y'all watch this shit? But
content's good. If the content's good, we'll watch it through bad quality. Trust me.
Facts. But today we got some work cut out for us. We got a few things to do to the Em2.
And it's good weather.
Yeah, it's perfect weather right now. We ain't got no rain. The sun ain't killing us. So we're gonna try to get as much done as possible today. So yeah, I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro and I'll see you guys there. So I kind of lied. Well, I didn't. But the battery is dead on the GoPro, so I gotta keep using this camera for now. Right now we're gonna re-put the we're gonna put these injectors back in. Those Detroit?
Yeah.
1200s?
Yep.
Boy, oh boy. Living his best life.
Oh, you want me to put them on here?
Yes sir. Alright, so it's pretty easy to get the fuel pump out. There are 4 bolts that were holding this. Use a Phillips, pull that out. And there's a clip, so you gotta unbolt the clip by squeezing the back piece right here that sits here. Squeeze that, pull it out, and then just squeeze the 2 pieces from here and take the fuel fitting off. So then you gotta like knock this at an angle with a screwdriver or a flathead and a mallet and twist it off. Do that and then pull the fuel pump out. So I'm gonna do that. Pick the camera back up.
Nah, I ain't gonna say nothing though.
No, I'm trying to get this shit off.
So Ron told me to tell you that he has to, what you gotta do, customize it or something to get the fuel,
bro,
the new fuel pump in?
This shit is a whole bitch just to get off, bro. Look at this,
yeah,
look at
I
this
see
casing, bro.
Yeah.
Just to get this shit out. And then this shit is still strapped in.
He did all of that to get this out, and then this is still strapped in. That's crazy. Y'all got a new sock or no?
What do you mean?
Y'all just changing the
changing the pump.
Okay, not the sock. The sock.
It probably has its own straightener.
Alright.
Yo, Juan just waiting for somebody to say something.
Bro. Yeah. Yo, flame this man in the comments. Flame him. Flame him. Look at this. Flame him. Oly poly looking. Umpty dumpty. Hole in the vans.
See your fucking sock.
Head ass. Fingers look like sausages. Paws. Head ass.
Yo.
Yeah, so while Ron hides, I was just showing you guys a quick update. He's cleaning the top of the fuel sending unit, trying to get all the dust and stuff out before dropping it back in.
2004. That's
That's crud from 2019. Oh, my bad, from 2004, 1995 or something. I don't know when these cars are made. When these cars came out, 92?
2000.
Don't try me.
And my car was just 92. Hello. And that's about it.
The bundle came with a card, everything.
Alright, so
The
now
one I got.
we in GoPro moment. I can be myself because I'm not holding that stupid camera no more. Anyway, we back. 4K all day. Ron about to up the quality. 2020. Ain't no jokes coming in hard. Pause. So I just want to give you guys another look at the car with the GoPro now. So this is how Emmer got everything set up so far. The last time you guys saw, he had a little hiccup with the mounts right there, but he got a new mount. Hybrid racing shifters, pretty guys know all about that. Skunk 2 intake manifold, custom painted valve cover, K-tuned custom wires. Oh, that's clean. I like this. Yeah, so it's coming along. Transmission set up. I believe the shifter and everything is in the car already, right? So I'm gonna show you guys a quick look at that.
Don't mind the mess.
Don't mind the mess. You know, it's a project car, so every time you do a project car, you gotta expect messes like this, but it's progress. So he has a hybrid racing shifter with the stock shift knob. You guys see that in there? Looks really nice. Almost everything off the RSX Type S works for this car, so if you guys ever want to do this, you know, you just really need to grab stuff from a RSX Type S and you're good. Right now they're doing the fuel pump in the back. Like I said, the fuel pump that they bought is from a RSX Type S, so everything from that car literally bolts into this car. It's dish work. Yeah, I'm letting them know that you bought it from, yeah, it's dish work, but they bought it like from a RSX Type S, because you know, when you go looking for parts for these cars like that, you're not gonna really find anything, but you just buy RSX stuff. But this is how the car looks, man. It's clean, really nice. I don't know if Ron's gonna include any of this, but just want to show you guys my car. This is Juan's car. This is Juan's friend Nate's clean Integra. Oh, it's nice. It's a LS, but he got plans. That's all you need to know. Clean Integra. Drill slotted brakes. Look at the interior, man. Look at that. It's mint. So these are the cars that's here. I just showed you Emmer's car. You guys know Juan's car, 9th gen Honda. He got a bunch of stuff for this car coming soon. So stay in the works for that. Stay in the works for this. And you guys already know Alan Spec, Instagram and YouTube. You know what's going on with that already. So let's get back to the bill.
Yeah. Alright, so pretty much you want to drill right here, pause. You want to open this area right here.
Yeah, there you go.
And then run a fitting for the return, because these cars are returnless. So we're going to open up right here, send that through, lock it back here, run a hose back into the gas tank.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. Seal right here.
You're basically making your own return line.
Pretty much, yeah. So but this shit came out looking sick, dog. Yo, look at this shit.
That's nice.
This shit looks sick.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's like clean.
All right, y'all boys. So this is what we have so far. I drove through the fuel pump assembly kit or whatever this shit is called. Put this fitting in there. I put Teflon and I kind of seal it off with Honda Bond around here so it doesn't leak, hopefully. But this is just a return, so this is not going to be my issue. I might be bringing this with me to Jason, just to make sure what I did was correct. Also, we're having an issue where we don't have the tools. Like, this is what we got going on. I already ran the return. This is a 6 AN line, and so how does it work now? So you push the metal piece over the
It went behind it. Right in front. Behind the one, yeah. Right there.
push the metal piece on
with,
here.
with a metal piece.
Oh.
The little, right there. Yep.
Motherfucker.
Right at the same spot.
Damn.
Alright, this piece goes over this.
Okay.
And then the line
Goes inside.
goes inside of that plastic tube. And when you screw this on it, it wedges it. And actually, the
Locks it in
outside,
place.
this part push on it out, and this part cramps on it.
Okay.
So it both ways cramp in and out.
Okay, so it's a push lock type
It's like a
thing.
push out, but you gotta tighten it to cramp onto the fucking rubber hole they got in there.
Okay. Oh wow.
Got you.
Alright, so we're just gonna knock that out now that we know the process, and
You don't fuck this one up. I'm gonna kick your ass, bro.
I didn't do shit.
Yo, he did it yesterday. Look back at the film.
Alright, so pretty much today is not a waste, even though we didn't get everything done. We gotta get new lines. Gotta get new lines, new fittings. So we're gonna do the push lock lines and fittings, right?
Yeah.
And apparently the company didn't send Emmer the right setup either. They gave him 2 8 AM lines. But looking at the lines, one of the lines, the body does look like a 6 AM, but it's not. It's actually
8.
an 8, yeah. So what we got to do now, hopefully next week, if everything goes well, we can get the 6 AN and the 8 AN, and then we'll just put everything in and we should be Gucci. Also with the fuel pump was done correct. The only thing is we don't want to have to go buy a step down for the fuel return that we did. So what we might do is just we'll get a full six fitting and run that. I'll show you guys when we get back to Emmer's what we were talking about, but I'm just letting you guys know that the video is pretty much done because we didn't really do
What you want to do?
what we wanted to do, which was fuel. And literally once we have fuel done, we just need to get the minor stuff done, like just hooking up the computer, finish the other part of the conversion harness, which is under the driver's side, just to plug literally 2 clips in, and the conversion harness is done. The engine harness is pretty much connected to the motor, so the motor is wired. We need to do the fluids, which is the last thing that we're doing, is to put the coolant in and bleed the system. That's the last thing we're doing, literally.
Yep.
So unfortunately things happen. We were planning to start the car next week. If today had went how it was supposed to, the car would have been started next week. But you know what, we live, we learn. It's a learning curve, and we're not even mad about it. We're actually happy that we didn't go ahead and try to do it ourselves, and then would have made a big mess.
So it could have been a hazard.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah,
So it's worth it that we took this drive so we could actually show Jason what we had. Big shout out to Jason, Prestige Motorsports. Big shout out to you, bro, because you're always a help. Every time I call you on the phone, bro, or text you, you always answer your phone or reply. So big so you feel me? Just big shout out to Jason, bro. And I'll see you guys when we get back to the crib. We got back to Emmer's. I put the shifter pins in, and this thing is super notchy. Can't wait for this thing to start to drive and everything, but shifter is 100% complete. I don't want to hear nothing from you, man. The shifter's complete. Well, now you want to act like you civilized on camera. Wow. You're super.
Monetize your damn channel, you bitch ass nigga.
Wow, that's toxic. That is so tough. How do you live knowing how toxic
Yo,
it is?
shut off the camera, bro.
Or else what? You gonna punch me, man?
You're lucky I can't reach over there and smack the shit out of you.
With your turtle hands. That boy got turtle hands. Can't reach.
Yo, do me a favor, can you grab the other damn side?
I don't appreciate your tone, so I don't feel like doing it.
Alright, bro. Keep that same energy, bro.
The energy's kept.
Alright, yeah. Don't worry, my nigga. I got you.
I'm not worried. Hold up, just try to catch.
Oh, is the clip in on that?
Alright, so the knock sensor is in, water neck is in. Now we're changing the crank position sensor. That's what it is, right?
Yeah.
CPK.
Yeah.
Crank. Yeah. So the one that's in here, because this is a JDM K24, the plug is slightly different. The plug is a 3, like this piece right here is 3 of these. There's 3 lines, and this is, I guess, for this K-tune harness. The K-tune harness matches this. I guess it's a K20, I'm not sure. But we got the matching one, so we're just gonna knock it out. I think it's like a 10 that holds it in place.
10?
Yeah, I think it's a 10, and we should be good. But if you don't know where that is, it's the sensor that's at the bottom, the back and the bottom of the motor. Oh snap. So it sits literally right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it sits right there. So we're gonna knock that out, plug the sensor in, and that's it.
Watch your head.
So this is the old one that I just pulled out. This is the new one. There's slightly a difference, but even the body of it has a slight difference. So
Plugs are completely different. I don't know what it is.
yeah, it's kind of different there. So
Internally.
yeah, internally it's different. So let's get the new one in and plug this bad boy up, and we are good for today. And that's gonna be it for today's video, honestly. Oh, if I find the hole, boys, make sure you find the hole. That's the hole right there. All right, y'all boys, I know y'all probably wondering what the hell is going on today, bro. Why is this video all over the damn place? Because it's hot. That's why. It's hot. That's why this video is all over the damn place. Why are you so aggressive, bro?
I'm gonna take you home, bro. Play too much. Play too fucking much, bro.
Why you always swearing, dude?
Cause I'm an asshole. Don't be up in my face like that too, man.
It's HD, bro. They gonna see all the pimples.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Don't get up in my face like that, man. Damn.
But yeah, we're done. We're pretty much cleaning up. Injectors are in. Everything's pretty much in. Oh, everything is in. Not pretty. Everything is in. We're gonna wire up the fans. We're doing all that shit last. Bro, you lost, bro? Nah, bro. You lost, bro? That boy got a new tag, bro. He don't know how to act. You lost? You need help?
I like your car.
Thank you.